always felt, I'll start begging. If I, what will happen? No money is left now. Next please. Yeah, next please. This is the stability. Next please. Yeah. Next please. Calcaria silicata was prescribed in this case. See the legs. Next please. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Next. Very fast. No time. Next. Yeah. That's the third case. Next please. See the face of the patient. Psoriasis. And this is affected in the on the face. And people used to call him Bandar. Like Hanuman. His friend used to call him like this. This face pe tha. Just keep the this young guy. આજકલ it's all about selfie and taking pictures, and if you have a face like this, see the pain of the patient. Next please. Next. Yeah, this was the rubric. His father actually expired, and after that all this dermatological problems has started with this patient. Next please. Grief, brooding, closing of life, 4-second feeling, welcome, past disagreeable occurrences. These were the main symptoms. Next please. Next. Atropine was prescribed. See the change. Next please. Yeah, the patient is totally alright. Next please. Yeah, this is the fourth case, very short. Next please. Yeah, see the. Yeah. Yes. No body part was left in this case. They are just giving me 5 minutes. I can't. You have to ask them. Yeah. Next. See. Hands you can see. Next. Back. Next. Not going. Rubrics. These are rubrics. Anger suppression, dominating, egotism, contradiction intolerant, ambitious, lack of confidence. These were the rubrics taken. Next please. This was the repertory chart. And see, we have to take a whole case. Constitutional medicine has to be prescribed. And I can only tell you, you can cure, not cure, you can relieve the patient with pathological remedies. Okay? But for recurrence, see psoriasis, recurrence is the biggest problem. You prescribe medicine, patient gets relief, that's one thing. But the recurrence, if you have to stop recurrence, constitutional medicine is the only thing that you can help you. Okay? And one more thing, miasmatic blockage has to be removed. A strong dose of, a higher dose of anti-miasmatic remedies is always, suggested. Next please. Yeah, lycopodium was prescribed in this. Next please. Yeah, see the change. Next please. Hands. Next. This is the fifth case. Next. See the foot. This was the lady used to cry in my clinic when she came, and see her legs. She was a teacher, and it was very difficult. Her life has been very miserable with this. She couldn't walk. She couldn't go to her daily course that she used to go for. Next please. See the acne. Next please. Next. Yeah, these are the mentors. I'm not going in detail. Next please. Yeah, these are the rubrics that I was taken. Ailment from indignation. Okay. Indignation is against dignity. And I remember Radhika ma'am is here. Catherine Poulter by Mrs. Oberoi used to teach her, and that book is printed in my head. Catherine Poulter is printed in my head. She always used to tell me, go read this remedy from that book, this remedy from that book, and she used to enact in front of the people. I mean, you cannot have a more expressive materia medica teacher in your life. We are blessed to be under Mrs. Oberoi, and she was just amazing. And one more thing I can tell you, see, repertory is like an ocean. Materia medica is like an ocean. We just cannot remember everything. We just cannot. And the only shortcut that we have, or a nice tool that we have, is repertory. So repertory our job, is shortened actually, and we have to, repertorization is key to any prescription. Okay. Next, please. Next. And when the word indignation used to come, and Staphylococcus was the okay, and Staphylococcus, I remember, I am doing it right, but my boss is saying, no, you are wrong. That is Staphylococcus. See the pain, in spite of being correct, in spite of being right, okay, and you are, you are told by your boss, no, you are wrong, you do this. That is Staphylococcus. If the indignation, the anger suppression, that is Staphylococcus. Next, please. See the legs. Next, please. Next, please. Next, please. This was it. Next, please. Next, please. This was also a farmer coming from Basti and psoriasis all over the body. Next, please. Back you can see. Next. Next. These were the rubrics. Sympathetic, affectionate, clairvoyance. One remedy, phosphorus. Right? Causticum also. Right? There are so many, but we have to be pinpoint. Repertorization helps you, makes your work so easy. It is suggestive. It may not be indicative. You don't have to give that remedy only which is come first. No, that is suggestive. Materia medica is the final court of justice. Next, please. Yeah, next. Phosphorus was given in this. Next, please. Next. Next, please. Yeah, you can see the thing. Next, please. Next. Very fast. Next. Next. These are my clinical observations. One thing I will tell you, there is a cobular phenomena. We fail to tell the patient. कहीं पे भी खुजली होती है, there is an injury. Wherever the psoriatic lesions are not there, if that part is rubbed, or injured, or any chemical injury is there, the lesions will start appearing there. So injury has to be avoided in this. Okay, even in vitiligo, I say, vitiligo is also a cobular phenomena is there, in which injury and scratching should be avoided. Next, please. Yeah, to avoid recurrent anti-miasmatic medicine has to be given. Please, anti-miasmatic, we have to unlock the miasm. Okay, miasmatic block has to be removed. Next, please. Yeah, thank you, and for the patient hearing, and I hope psoriasis won't be a challenge in near future when you see the patient, you come across the patient of psoriasis. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Ishan Joseph. This is our previous sessions. I request
To see you, yeah. Just